In AccuGuide, I am going to show you how to overlay a digital image of a plaster cast over the CT scan coming from the CT scan center. I go to U-Treat, I go to Imported Object, Plus, and then I have two choices. I can overlay DICOM over another DICOM, or overlay a digital image, which is a STL format, over the CT scan. I click on this one. I go to select my plaster cast. This is the DICOM. This is the plaster cast image. I select and I open it. And in this, I am going to get the same image on the right side and on the left side. So I manipulate my images, and I like to place my point like this: the canine, the premolar, the molar, the molar, the premolar, the canine. I make 3 points on one side. I can do 2 or 3 points on the other side. I go to the molar, I go to the canine, I click on the canine, I click on the molar. Then I go to compute registration, and it's calculating the overlay of the plaster cast over the CT scan. When this is done, I am going to check in the image if we have some transparency like this. It seems to be good. I validate the image, and I have the plaster cast, which is overlaying the image of the CT scan. I go to U-Plan, and I'm going to check in the orthogonal images that the overview of the plaster cast is correctly covering the teeth. And this is what we see here. So my overlay is absolutely perfect, and I can count on this to design a guide which will be supported on the plaster cast image.